Keep moving, guys. Come on, they're thinning out. Take cover, use the cover still, guys. Come on. Right, guys, watch the right and the left. There's a guy there. Behind that tree down there. That open bit.
Left side.
Left side, guys. He's right there. Dude with the hat on. Right there. Tree right there. Right, ready, guys? We're going to move up, yeah, to that barricade. 3, 2, 1, move. Next time, keep some suppressive fire down on that building. Hit!
Come here, mate. Hit the stairwell on the left. Stay low. Stand down right.
Oh my word.
Okay.
Right, guys, watch the left. See that building there?
How was he not shot? He got shot in the arm.
That building, guys, there's a guy in there. Right, there's
We can get down into the ditch.
two in the tower up there, directly in front of us.
If we can get down into there, we could probably get up behind that metal sheet.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything against it.
Yeah. Guys, ditch, find a tree. We'll go that way.
Metal sheet on the left.
We'll move when you move. We'll move there, you move up. Peggy, where's Recco?
Right, then move.
Pick you up, buddy. Pick you up, over and out. Guys, we're going to funnel this way.
Right,
So use the trees for cover.
I've got smoke if you need it.
All right, smoke. You could throw it. So I think which way the wind's blowing.
If need be,
Just throw it directly over the bridge. There's a guy moving right here. Yeah, is it proper mud?
Yeah, if we go down there, we can move up to that sheet where that guy is. We'll keep round.
You alright, buddy?
Yeah, good.
Yep.
Hurt that side and someone around his rear because I almost got pinged. I heard it hit the wood and as I moved back away it was straight past my arm.
Remember, guys, they're going to be spawning on the right, so we need to watch the right. Mikey, I'm moving up, mate.
Hey?
I'm moving up to the next barricade. Come in.
I'll move to the barrier first and then you follow.
Village, mate, village. Watch that right, mate, because they will come.
That's technically a bit of kit, mate, so if I get hit...
Yeah, that's going to fucking hurt.
Oh!
Redeploy that.
Redeploy that, yeah, pick that up and fucking get it forward. Throw it forward, mate. You should just fucking launch it, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, just fucking side.
Watch the right, guys. We got incoming on the right.
Respawn! Respawn! I can't see it though.
Oh, that smells like flipping.
Boy, it's fucking hot box.
That smells nasty.
Right, okay. Can't sit here.
No. Oh, hit! Oh, he's still up there. Did no one clear him out?
Oh, someone. Oh. Yeah, then. Where'd you get that? Fuck's sake.
Thing he found, spot picked up.
That's on the tightest setting as well. That ain't good.
Yeah, this hatch has come undone.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Don't piss me off, you know. I took a mag. No, someone else has to piss me. Alex! You had my rifle mag. Yeah, Alex.
Right, Mike. I'm going to go and kill that guy in the hut.
That's not a friend.
Is there still up there?
Oh, you
Oh!
got him.
I was going to grenade him.
I was going to say.
He's the one who flipping got me. I was like, no, no.
If every spawn's on the right, we're going to have to get in over there anyway.
Yeah, well, I think we need to go to the left, guys. We need to start swishing left because they're going to be respawning from over there.
Go to that metal sheet cover and just like flank it around to the left. Just try and get.
We've got to keep moving up. We've got to sweep the whole village till we got it and then push up.
The right hand side's good. If you go over there and into that sheet metal, that's fine. But the only issue is they're respawning over there.
Yeah.
So
Right, guys, let's start moving on the left, yeah? Peg, with me. Let's move.
That's right. Here!
Watch out.
Let anyone get round. There's two of them up there.
and two of them up here.
Shame got pyro chucking.
Yeah, I have, but
The guy under this holly bush over there.
I can't even get that. There's no way I'm going to get that in.
Yeah, barricade.
Up there. Hit! Fuck me. Poke it through the holes in the floor. Yeah, I've just said hit, mate. Are you deaf? Come on.